Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn about configuring inventory management. Magento supports inventory configuration settings at the product and global level. You can configure the catalog settings as follows. Go to Store, choose Configuration, then choose Catalog, Inventory. Your catalog can be configured to display inventory data in your storefront, manage active shopping carts, and more. When the Manage Stock option is enabled, Magento Inventory Management automatically tracks product quantities available for the site through configured stocks and sources. To use third-party services such as ERP, disable Manage Stock. If you want to manage stock for a product, do as follow. Choose the product that you want, then choose Advanced Inventory. To manage inventory and use all Magento features, select Yes, or select No to disable Magento Inventory Management. Coming up next is Catalog Image and Videos. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,